Welcome! If you've ever searched for something on Instagram and later wanted to clear your search history, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the quickest and easiest way to clear your Instagram search history on Android with all the latest updates in mind. Whether you want a fresh start or just a little more privacy, these simple steps will help you tidy up your search bar in no time. Let's dive right in. First, grab your Android phone and open up the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to clear the search history for. Once you're on the main feed, look at the bottom of the screen for the magnifying glass icon. This is the search icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, you'll see the search page with the search bar right at the top. Tap on that search bar. This will bring up your recent searches and suggestions. Right below the search bar, you'll notice an option that says See All. Tap on See All to view your entire search history. At the top right corner of your search history, you'll see the Clear All option. Tap on Clear All. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to clear your entire search history. If you're ready to wipe everything away, just tap Clear All again to confirm. And that's it. Your Instagram search history is now completely cleared. The next time you tap the search bar, you'll see a clean slate. No more old searches popping up. Clearing your search history is a great way to keep your Instagram experience private and clutter-free. You can repeat these steps anytime you want to clear things out again. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy your fresh start on Instagram.